So guys, the mini motor that was Rich's, well, I helped him fit a new engine. I helped pay for the engine and that, because obviously I'm the one that broke it. Now it's mine.
That's what she said, by the way, and it is. That is indeed what was said by she, and it's the best way of saying it. I don't care what anyone says. Woo.
Here it is in the G shed, right of the Who's That hoodie. Big ups. Oh, also, if you're not following the Instagram, do it right now. Big ups to Southampton. And yeah, here it is. Little fucking dinger. So obviously, we've got this mini motor here that obviously I've just bought. But this is the old engine that I broke. And on it, what I actually broke was just that bolt going into the crank there. Completely snapped it off, trying to start it with a drill. So, this is still a semi-brand new engine. Got barely any hours on it. You can see the clutch is basically brand new. Still, the carb's all brand new. Like, it's all good, you know? So, I'm thinking twin cylinder. So what would actually make this twin cylinder idea work is, you see this flywheel here, that I have a pull start for, because obviously it came with the bike, but there's no bolt holes on this apart from the centre bolt, which is obviously what we snapped on the other one. But on this one, not only is there the centre bolt, but there's the two side bolts. So obviously, if replacing the crank, because it's not very expensive at all, yeah, we would have to do that no matter what with this project, yeah. But this flywheel here would literally bolt straight onto the clutch side with a little plate. So, hypothetically, I can make a very simple, easy, two-cylinder mini motor. This is going to be the attempt. We're going to see if we can do it. Because that would be 100 cc's of just pure, ruthless madness. And I'd love it. Twin exhaust, twin cylinder, oh. So here we are in the proving grounds again. This time with the smallest vehicle in my collection. The 50cc mini motor, standard engine, etc. Let's give it a try. Let's go. This is sketchy as fuck with one hand, same as the quad bike. So this is worse, because this one, the front suspension twists. Woo. I'm not on full throttle right now, just I'm shitting my pants with the phone in my hand. Can't lie. But this is going to be a bit muddy. Woo! Went straight through it though. You didn't see that big ditch, did he? I've been going around that the whole time, going around that way. He just tried to go straight over it, look. The tyre's gone down there, sunk, and then just gone bang. Funny as fuck. Oh shit, I just trod in there. Fuck's sake.
Yeah, I don't know why I
Hello.
and that.
And this is the bike swing. Quick little chain fix. Happens every 5 seconds.
Hell yeah. That's what you want.
Exactly. If your chain
So you
don't
know
come
your chain's
off.
healthy.
Exactly. If your chain don't come off, you ain't wetted it up enough.
Exactly.
Hey. Hey, your mum's ringing you, bro.
Huh?
Your mum's ringing. Real. Can't ride it in there.
I'm holding straight at the sun and left. Oh no, look how deep that is. Oh yeah. Nice and cool now. So I was reversing the quad bike up this hill the other day, but it looked nothing like this down here. The water level is super high compared. And that path there that I was reversing down is made of water again. Wow. I didn't know there's a little path over there as well. So next time I've got a quad bike down here, river crossing it is. This bit here is going to be brilliant. Subscribe to Bike with Brad right now. So, you're at the end of the video and you're watching this screen again. Well, you need to go subscribe right now, I believe. At least like the video, come on. Like, look, even he thinks it's perfect. That random guy on the screen, I have no idea who he is. So, come on. The mini motor's sick and it's fixed now. Come on, just like the video, please.